Women Vocational Training Center Turbat stands as an enduring partnership between the people of South Balochistan and FC Balochistan South. Rooted in a rich legacy of service, the land for this facility was donated by FC Balochistan South in 2018 and has since served as a platform for women's skill development and empowerment. Over the years, however, the building gradually deteriorated, limiting its ability to serve the growing aspirations of local women. Recognizing this need, FC Balochistan South undertook a comprehensive uplift under the banner of Parvaz Foundation. Completed within 2 months, the project transformed the facility into a modern vocational training center.
ख़राब थी, कोई टूटने का शिकार था। अभी एफसी साउथ ने इसको दोबारा रिन्यू करके हमें दिया है और काफ़ी बेहतर अंदाज में इसको बना कर हमें दिया है।
The center now offers training through 3 sub-centers: Information Technology Center, Sewing, Tailoring and Embroidery Center, and Beautician Skills Center.
मां एफसी साउथ शुक्रगुजारा केशिया चुनी मारे शर्रे अपॉर्चुनिटीज ही दाता सारिया मतलब इस सोशल वेलफेयर इस सारिया मतलब चूना बने तब उतना नुके जो मतलब साउथ एफसीया इशारा बेहतर बनाई था।
The uplift works include building repairs, roof restoration, false ceiling installation, expansion of halls, interior upgrades, landscaping, provision of furniture, air conditioning systems and equipment. IT Center has been equipped with 26 latest computers.
Myself, Afsar Jamshed, and I truly want to thank South FC from the bottom of my heart because they have given us such facilities through which we could show our talent to and skills throughout the world. A huge thanks from the Social Welfare Department.
Sewing Center features 30 sewing machines and 22 embroidery machines. While the Beautician Center is equipped with 3 beautician workstations and modern training resources, creating new opportunities for women to develop their talents, improve their livelihoods, and confidently contribute to society.
यहाँ से ख़वातीन और तुर्बत की बच्चियाँ हुनर सीखेंगी और अपने पाँव पे खुद खड़े होंगे।
First batch after the upgrade has commenced with 40 students and 11 instructors. Enrollment for the second batch is now underway, with growing interest from women eager to join the center. The initiative reflects FC Balochistan South's unwavering commitment to women empowerment of Kech district.